About 40 tons of gas leaked from the Union Carbide factory.
The consequences were catastrophic. Official estimates suggest some 5,000 people died.
As the gas cloud condenses, it sinks to ground level.
इन चेहरों को देखकर आज 30 साल बाद भोपाल का गुस्सा बदहवास हो जाता है।
On the night of 2nd of December 1984, an exothermic reaction in a 40-ton tank containing methyl isocyanate killed over 8,000 people in Bhopal overnight and left many more permanently injured. Over the years, the fatalities rose up to 20,000 and left over 6 lakh people permanently injured. Many of these were not even born and were still there in their mother's womb. Let's find out what happened after the catastrophic event of the Bhopal gas tragedy and the legal battle that ensued afterwards. At the time of the disaster, Union Carbide Corporation owned about 51% stake in Union Carbide India Limited. LIC owned about 22% and the remaining Indian public owned about 27%. अब सारे lawyers के लिए ये golden opportunity थी to make a name for themselves. इसलिए renowned lawyers and activists from all over the country flocked Bhopal. But सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट ने सबकी एफर्ट्स पे पानी फेंक दिया बाय पासिंग द भोपाल गैस लीक ऑर्डिनेंस ऑफ 1985, जिसके तहत सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट ने बोला दैट वी विल डिफेंड एंड प्रोटेक्ट द राइट्स of the persons affected in the disaster. This act received sharp criticism from lawyers all around the country and was even challenged before the Honorable Supreme Court. Supreme Court ने इस act की validity को upheld कर दिया और बोला that it's an earnest effort on the part of the central government to protect the rights of those who have been affected by this disaster. Now exercising its powers under the Bhopal Act, Union of India ने क्या किया that instead of filing a case in Bhopal, इन्होंने न्यूयॉर्क में केस फाइल कर दिया stating that the Indian lawyers are not that well equipped with the law of tort and that the case could be well tried over there in New York only and not in India. However, Justice John Keenan, the presiding officer in this case, dismissed the complaint and stated that this court does not have the jurisdiction to try this case as the plant as well as the witnesses who had seen this accident occur were present only in India. Now back in India, the Union of India had filed a complaint against the Union Carbide Corporation and before the district court in Bhopal, which had ordered Union Carbide Corporation to pay a compensation amounting to rupees 350 crores. On appeal, the Madhya Pradesh High Court had lowered the amount to 250 crores and the Union Carbide Corporation had shamelessly moved the Supreme Court seeking a further reduction in amount. But the Supreme Court had finally ordered a compensation amount to be paid by the Union Carbide Corporation amounting to rupees 750 crores. Now if we take into perspective the amount of 750 crores paid to all the victims of the disaster, it amounts to merely 50,000 per victim. 50,000 कीमत लगाई सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने एक विक्टिम की. Now as far as the criminal proceedings are concerned, only 7 people were convicted under 304A of the IPC, जिसकी सजा सिर्फ 2 साल की है. Warren Anderson, the CEO of Union Carbide Corporation at the time of the leak, did not appear and was declared as an absconder. This case was a perfect wake-up call for the lawyers, politicians and activists all around the country and it was a miserable disaster by the Indian judiciary. Let me know what you think in the comment section. Thank you so much.